This black bird is having a cap like thing on the head. You can see the beak and a helmet like thing with feathers you see over the beak. The tuft of feathers hanging from the chest. Looks like a burden is carrying lifelong just to attract its mate. She can manipulate those feathers like opening and closing those feathers like a fan. You can watch in a few seconds it is going to move those feathers hanging from its chest. Now you can see. Yeah, it is playing just to attract a mate. Does she need to carry this burden whole life? What do you say? You liked it? Please subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching this video clip.